2, 4, 6. I only have 6 torpedoes. That's lame.
I have 9, but you have better range than I do. Your torpedoes are also fast. Faster than mine.
Be right back, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Do you want to do something stupid, Nick?
General quarters.
Maybe.
Let's dive center.
What map are you on?
Two brothers.
Yep, that's stupid.
Let's go dive center, Nick. It'll be fun. We may die fast, but
You will die, that is guaranteed.
I
You mean
have
this
done.
little itty bitty gap right here, that is ravine I have to go through?
Yep.
Yep.
Fuck
And
it, why not?
don't worry about torpedoes, Nick.
Fuck it. Come on, dude. Let's go.
There's a difference, Dakota. I'd like to point out that there's a difference between stupid and just plain suicidal.
Oh yes, this is extremely suicidal and stupid. Yes, but when it works, by God, it fucking works.
Does it ever work? I'm not sure if I want to do this now, actually.
No, the one time that I got it to work was in my Atlanta, and I did over 115,000 damage. When it works extremely well.
Yeah.
But that's like an 8 out of 10 times. It's
Nick,
not
this is the first time for everything.
I don't want to be a guinea pig on this. I think I'm going to go around.
Okay, let's go around.
No.
You talked me out of it. Let's go around.
Do it.
When it works, it's fucking glorious. But
Eh.
whenever it doesn't work, you're pretty well fucking boned. Because you're there by yourself.
There's a bot storm going on.
The what storm?
Enemy force
I have a bot
detected.
storm.
What's that?
What the fuck is that?
All the Ruskies are bots. So it's just like easy pickings.
Oh, I'm joining you.
Yeah,
Oh,
Nick should be
yeah.
playing right now.
Yeah, okay.
Oh yay, it's Stalingrad Kestel.
Am I faster than you?
Guess-
Probably.
Kettle?
Kessel.
Pedal?
No. God.
I'm back
Didn't
off to
Nick
get
say it
some
was
separation for our torpedoes.
Castle.
Kessel.
The Kessel Run? Did you do it in 2 parts?
No.
Kessel.
Go fuck yourself. Oh, great. I gotta be the Axis. I gotta be the Allies.
Did it in 14 parsecs?
No.
I know it's 12.
It was 12. Let's go left a little bit, Nick.
Right, well, I'm against you, Volk, because it wouldn't let me.
Actually, you know what? Fuck it. Let's go straight for these battleships. They're all
Join the Axis, so... It's time for you to die.
Alright. Circle road engaged. Oh, you did the same shit.
Yes, I did.
Activated.
Fuck it, dude. Let's go do this shit there alone. You want the ARP or do you want the regular Congo?
Look at the one I'm closest to.
Alright. I'm
Stalingrad
not
Castle.
even gonna fire my guns, bro.
Don't, Willie. Just don't.
I could try some puns while I'm not playing the game.
No. No, no. No puns. Nothing.
Oh, I finally was detected.
Yeah, me too. I'm going straight at this guy.
You're going straight for that guy?
Oh, straight on him, dude.
That joke flew right
Is
over
everything
your-
in this game like,
Torpedoes to port.
is Is everything in World of Warships like kind of like?
Oh, dude, I think it's gonna need some of those.
Critically damaged. Ship is on fire. Critical engine damage.
Maybe not.
Like, is everything in World of Warships like?
Oh,
exactly
motherfucker, every one of those
like-
missed.
ref-
God damn it. What, Willie? Sorry. Sorry, Willie. What you said?
Does everything in World of Warships like reflect the like actual warship?
Yes.
Somewhat.
Like, theme? Like everything?
Yes, even if.
Somewhat. Okay.
Yes.
Not perfectly historically accurate. If you want that, well,
Go play Silent Hunter if you want.
Because
100%
I'm
simulations.
not going to get used to the distance measuring.
No, no. I got fucked up, Nick, man. I'm sorry, bro.
So did I. I think one hit.
I didn't hit anything.
Yeah, I
didn't.
missed all mine too.
Oh, come on.
That Congo hurts though.
That goes through your heads.
I wasn't even paying attention, really, honestly, man. I'm
That's
sorry.
fine, dude.
I'm just amazed all those. He was 2 kilometers away and all those torpedoes missed. I do not know how they missed. They should not have missed. I underestimated the turning speed of a Congo. God damn it.